Someone had a oopsie in the field and they didn't halfway do it, they double cheeked it. Yeah. So as you can see, if you've never seen a T40 torn apart, this is what it looks like. Yeah, they're gonna need a lot of repairs. Anyway, so we'll get this. Grayson is a champ and finishing this up. I think Judd's gonna come over this weekend as well to help us get caught up on repairs.
All right, Grayson here. We had a customer that had crashed a drone, so I'll give you an update on it. Had to replace 2 arms, 2 motors. One of them's locked and the other one is just tore to pieces. Replaced all the props. We already did the arms. And then we have a connector, the legs to the frame that was cracked, so it was bent. And then we have some styrofoams on the arms, a couple of the hosings and pumps that we fixed. I think that's about it. Then we'll get our parts directly from DJI and get them here. So they usually overnight stuff, it's pretty quick. We have parts on deck as well. So yes, he hit a telephone pole. It sat there and spun a couple times and it fell. We will get this finished up and be right back to him. He'll be back in the air pretty soon, hopefully. Thanks, guys.